an area right now that's been timbered. Area that trees fell down where it grows up thick. Nice sassafras here, and there's one next to it. Okay, this is a size sassafras I normally would pick. I'll just go and find the small stuff, and you just run your hand down at the bottom, find out where the root goes. Here you can see it goes right there, and pull on it gently. And all you gotta do to tell if you got the right thing is smell it. And it is. Just wanted to show you a good example of a root and the sassafras. We're getting 5 gallons to a boil, and we're gonna simmer it and add the roots. We're about 5 minutes into this boil, and you can see it's turning a nice red already. So we're just simmering it. We'll wait. Okay, we're all done now. You can see it turning a nice red. We're just taking all the roots out now. Now we're going to add the sugar to this keg like I was saying. It's 2 1/4 cups of sugar per gallon. What we're going to do, since we have about 4 1/2 gallons, we're just going to add about 4 pounds. And that's close. That gives you a good flavor. You can test the flavor before your final bottling or kegging, whatever you do. Cooling in cold water, and once that liquid cools down, we'll take it over to the CO2 container and carbonize it. Here we have some already sanitized, but to make, we have our yeast. We use champagne yeast, Red Star. You don't really want to use bread yeast, it doesn't taste good, so make sure you get something like that. And then we have this yeast in the water at room temperature, 80, 90, 85 degrees is good, not over 90.
You put them into the bottles using the funnel, just pour them in. You want to let them sit at room temperature for a couple of days, and then for the labels you can use any kind of label making website or any kind of just regular typing website, and there's a way you can get them down to label size, and then you use this capper right here as a way to put the cap on, and then you just pull down the levers till the cap's on nice and tight. And that's how you cap, label, and shake up your soda.